We're going to tour about 10 different locations around the area where we're going to talk to environmental leaders. We're going to learn about sustainable solutions, and we're going to learn about regenerative lifestyle. And we're going to give you tools and resources and anything that you need to kind of apply some of this knowledge into your own life or how to transition into a brighter future.
And we'd have amazing, tropical organic fruit breakfast, super healthy, local, sustainable vegan meals for lunch and dinner. We spend the whole week just like action-packed meeting with all of these people. We give people as many tips as we can about how to make those transitions successfully. Get inspired, get the energy, and then get some real practical transition plans.
This completely changed everything for us. Isn't it amazing? It's all run with gravity. It's called a ram pump. This is a special design, so it's free energy. There's no gas, no electricity, nothing. You guys want to see the pump? So now we're really optimizing our water and power situations.
It has microorganisms that we collect from the forest. And with it comes the mycorrhizas, the microscopic mushrooms that help in the symbiosis between the roots and the plant and the soil, the nutrients and all. Very important.
So I did a food forest, mostly for the animals. And that worked perfect because they have their own buffer zone, they're their own food source, and they don't have to come and eat out from our garden.
There's a lot of reasons people move towards this. So that's kind of where we come in. We've identified hundreds of fantastic sustainable solutions and ways to live regeneratively. Dozens of the most innovative and pioneering places around Costa Rica and the rest of the world that are leading that and focusing on the groups that are trying to share their knowledge with everybody. We do farm to table. People can actually touch the plants that they're about to eat and be involved in the food preparation with some of the best vegan chefs in the world.
Here they're not living in fear. Here's brave people come, very courageous people. All right, and that's all you guys. You're the courageous ones want to learn something. There's got to be a better way.
We really hone in on how can we bring that back into our personal lives. People who want to really follow their hearts and live their values and try a different lifestyle that may be more fulfilling for them, that they've got the highest chance of that working as possible.
Are you excited? Join us on a life-changing adventure.